Okay, welcome back. In this recording, we're going to be putting in the spanner head, the first of the two spanner heads. So we've selected, if you notice there, I've just selected the polygon tool, and its default setting is at 6 sides. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a polygon separate from it, and it's quite important that we do it that way around and just make sure it's snapped so that if you look at all the lines, the vertical lines are completely vertical. So they're drawn like that, and I'm just going to draw a polygon that way round, and I'm going to dimension it, put a dimension from those 2 points there and change that to 7. I'm then going to draw a line from the ends there to there. I'm going to remove 2 parts that I don't want. That one, I'm going to just delete the dimension as well because it's constraining the drawing, and I'm going to trim that part, and that part. I'm then going to draw a line from here, a vertical line up, and I'm going to offset this line, just giving us a point of reference there, and I'm going to move that along by 3.5, and I'm going to trim at that point. I then need to move that into place, so I'm going to select what I want. So I'm just going to select, I'm just going to undo these bits here. I'm going to then do the, just find the move tool. I'm going to select this part here. I'm going to select the base point, the part I want to move it from, which is there. I'm going to move it to that point there, and that will give me the 7mm spanner. And delete that there. We then need to repeat that step for the 15mm spanner. I'm just going to check a dimension here. That needs to be 25. So on here, I'm going to do exactly the same with the polygon. A 6-sided polygon upright like that. That's not gone completely right. Let's try that again. Just spin it around. There we are. And put a dimension there from there to there. Change that to 15. I'm going to draw a line across there to there. I'm going to delete that dimension and trim from there to there to there. And same again, just going to draw a line as a point of reference. Like so. I'm going to offset that line from there to there through 25 this time. Trim that part, then I'm going to move. So just select the move tool, select what I want there, select a base point to move from. I'm going to ignore the geometry, move it to there, and OK. And I can trim the parts that I don't want. And in the next video, we'll start to look at adding one more feature to it, and then we can produce our extrusion. Thank you very much. I'll see you next time round.